Hey guys, this is Bill from CustomRadio.com. This video is to show a new version of the Land Rover Discovery 99 to 04 custom dash kit that we make here. This shows the original version from the factory, and I have another video out there of where we did a custom modification. This is basically a newer, updated version of that, and this includes basically remolding this whole front piece out of ABS plastic and filling it in with body filler. This way allows the unit to look more factory when it's installed. It's definitely more time consuming, but it came out really nice. This also is done with a universal double-din cage, okay, which you can see from the back side. So that allows you to slide the radio out from the front. And it also allows the factory heater controls to snap in like factory. Unlike my previous version where there was a trim ring that was covering all that, so you could not snap this out after it was installed. But this allows you to install the unit, tuck your wires back under here because it is very tight when it goes in, and then you can go ahead and snap this panel, AC panel. Oh, I had it right the first time, sorry about that. Snap that right back in place, and it's a really nice factory look. Any questions about this, give us a call at 716-634-6700. That's our store, or you can also check out our website at customradio.com, and you can email us at sales@customradiobuffalo.com. Thank you very much.